Alright, pag sinabi ko naman kids na the boat is sinking party, all we have to do is to dance. Alright, anong gagawin natin? Pag sinabi ko the boat is sinking party, mag-dance tayo. Alright, and kaya naman, if you're ready, kids, the boat is sinking. Yung may action, come on. 1, 2, 3, and the boat is sinking. Party! Come on. That's good. Dance. And the boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. Okay, one. Group yourself into three. Come on. Three. Sobra lang isa. Alright, si Gian and si Roma na sabihin sa kanila. Bye-bye. Ayan. Sali ulit kayo next game. Sit down muna kayo dito. Ayan, meron pa tayong next game. Don't worry. Okay, para sa ating next round. Alright, kids. The boat is sinking. Once again, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. Into three. Into three. Group yourself. Into six. Into six. And group yourself into one. Into one. Into two. Into two. Now group yourself into four. Dalawa pa dito. Dalawa pa dito. Go on. Here. Sila pa lagi lalaki. Alright, 4, 8, 12. Kompleto pa rin kayo. Alright, now, group yourself into one. Into one. Group yourself. Group yourself into one. Into five. Come on. Five. Alright. I'm so sorry, Francis. You may now sit down first. Mamaya tayo para sa ating next game. And dito. Oh, I'm so sorry. What's your name? Rochelle. Ayan, Rochelle. Thank you so much. And we have 10 kids left. Move tayo dito sa gitna. Come on. And circle. Big circle. And kids, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into one. Into five. Into five. Group yourself into one. Into five. Into 10. Into one. Now group yourself. Group yourself into four. Oh, I'm so sorry, Ken. And what's your name? Michelle. Ayan, sit down muna kayo sa ating colorful shirt. Mamaya sa ating next game, sali ulit kayo. We have 8 kids left. Tingnan natin sino kaya matitira. Come on. Move pa kayo dito. Ayan, that's good. And now, kids, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into 1. Into 4. Into 4. Into 2. Into 2. Group yourself into 4. Into 8. And into 1. Now group yourself into 3. Oh, I'm so sorry. Irish, sit down ka muna dito. Ano yan? Alright, I'm so sorry. What's your name? Bernard. So we have 6 kids left. Move kayo dito. Alright kids, this will be the last round. Okay, ano na yung last round. So, dalawa lang ang mananalo this round and 4 yung matatanggal. Okay? This will be the last round. Kaya naman, are you ready? Yes! Alright, the boat is sinking. Yes! Alright, group yourself into 1. Into 2. Into 2. Ayan. Medyo nahiya pa siya. Dito na. And group yourself into 4. Ito joke lang. Into 6. Into 6. And group yourself into 1. Into 1. Once again, dalawa lang manalo. 4 yung matatanggal. Group yourself into 3. Into 6. Into 1. Into 6. Into 1. Into 1. Now, group yourself. Group yourself into 2. Into 4. Into 4. Into 4. 4. Friend ko ka. Alright, asan yung 4? Okay, asan yung 2? Come on, Bernard, Agam. And, oh, bakit? Bakit kayo nanalo? Sabi ko ba, ilan na manalo? Dalawa manalo. Ilan matanggal? 4! So, congratulations kay Gian, of course. Okay, kay Gab, ayan, congratulations. Ayan, sabi ni Sir. Well, don't worry, you have your game prizes here. Ayan, congratulations. And may consolation prize yung 4 na natanggal. Don't worry. Kasi yung 4. Ayan, congratulations. Ayun yung thrill sa game natin. Alright. And para sa ating next game, kailangan